Are you ready to take the first step towards a successful career while still in high school? Welcome to the Hillsboro School District Apprenticeship Program, a transformative experience that will shape your future. My name is Claudia Rizzo Mendoza, and I support as the project manager for the Youth Apprenticeship Program. In June 2022, we launched the Hillsboro Youth Apprenticeship Program in manufacturing, where students have an opportunity to engage in a Registered Youth Apprenticeship. That's a 2-year program for the occupation of Certified Manufacturing Technician. This program offers a very unique opportunity to high school students to be able to engage with local manufacturing companies and gain hands-on experience that is recognized by different employers. Students are not only able to participate in their CTE program that's in alignment with the apprenticeship, but they're actually able to be hired through the companies and earn a wage while they earn their certificate and credentials. Some of the supports that we provide through the program include transportation. We also support and work really closely with students' counselors to determine a schedule that works well for them, especially if they're participating in extracurricular activities outside of school.
My name is Lynn Nelson. I am the Senior HR Manager at Jireh Semiconductor. I have been involved with the Youth Apprenticeship Program from the start, from the planning aspects all the way through coming up on the completion of the first cohort. The motivation for the company to participate in this program was purely out of getting the information to the students about manufacturing and specifically advanced manufacturing. From a business standpoint, it makes sense. You know, the big thing that I've always said is somebody gave me an opportunity. So as business, we need to get back those opportunities to folks, and starting at the high school level makes more sense than just waiting for them to finish college and or waiting for them to finish high school to figure out what they want to do. 2-year program will allow them for the rest of their lives to have a fallback career, even if they don't see manufacturing as a career path that they decide to take now. It's a fallback career that's not going to put them into an entry-level job, flipping burgers or serving somebody. So it's definitely a great opportunity for them to have something in their back pocket to fall back on if they choose not to continue with manufacturing.
I'm Respond. I am a senior at Century High School, and I work for Tosa Quartz as a glass blower. So far, the apprenticeship program has been a really great opportunity for me. Originally, I wasn't planning on participating in the program, but my teacher, Mr. Lown, talked me into joining or at least applying to the program. I think the apprenticeship program is a really great opportunity for everybody. They're super flexible around your school schedule, like your classes, your extracurriculars, like I do multiple sports, and they've been able to work around all of that, and it's a job in high school that pays pretty well. So I think it's a great opportunity for everyone. It's really opened up an entire industry that I didn't even know existed. Before they came into our school and talked to us about semiconductors, I didn't know what that was. And for the industries themselves, they're getting new, fresh people out of high school who are willing to work, and it kind of just helps them replace maybe people that are leaving the company, people that are retiring. Just a new batch of people ready to get into the industry.
My name is Matt Lown. I'm a teacher here at Century High School in the CTE program, Engineering Systems. I've been teaching here for 7 or 8 years. The way I got started in the apprenticeship program is Travis Ryman came to me and I said, yes. I think that it's a good opportunity for students to have a wide range of things that they can do after they leave high school. I always tell my students you should aim for college because that's kind of the hardest thing to get into. But after that, your senior year, then you'll have your choices. When we first started talking about the apprenticeship program, I looked at it as an opportunity for students to get some work experience, to build through things. And then if they wanted to go to college, you know, maybe they have an employer or something like that that's willing to help them pay for some of their college. And so I looked at it as a great opportunity for students, and so I couldn't pass that up. So the apprenticeship program, one, I mean, it's a job. You're working for adults. I mean, you're working in a business that lots of other people work at, and so you have to work within their system. And anytime our students get that opportunity, I think it helps them kind of just grow as a person. And they're kind of doing it at a younger age than some of their peers. It's a great opportunity for those students to learn those traits at a young age. I think they'll just end up carrying those with them the rest of their lives. I had one student come and tell me that he had just gotten a raise and had gotten a promotion beyond what the program was designed for. So we've had a number of different opportunities. I just have been so proud of the students that are in the program and so thankful for the people that have pushed for this to allow the students to have this success. And so I'm just excited to see it continue to grow. I think it's a real exciting time.
Our program is not just about education, it's about empowerment. We believe that every one of our students has the potential to discover and increase their skills and talents as they're preparing to engage in a career in manufacturing. Join us in unlocking the potential of our young students. By participating in the Hillsboro Youth Apprenticeship Program as an industry sponsor, you're not only expanding on opportunities for students, but you're also supporting the diversification of the upcoming workforce.